see your finished results. Perfect. These cookies are spectacular. Bloody hell! These cookies are horrible! How did you do it?
We use IFM prover heat sensor.
IFM Prover is a company that was made in 1969 that is particularly known for their temperature sensors. Their sensors help to ensure ultra-quality standards, especially in the food and beverage industry. Many influential companies such as Nestle, Hershey, and Kraft use IFM sensors.
Here at IFM, we have three main versions of welding. So we have ultrasonic, resistant welding, and laser welding, which is our core concept here at IFM. And I will gladly show you all three of those operations. So here at
IFM adds safety features as well, such as hitting multiple buttons to start the welding sequence, so no one can bump into one button and start the machine on accident.
This part, and these are now fully welded together.
IFM creates many prototypes for the designs, specifically using both resin and plastic 3D printers to make small, yet precise pieces for projects.
We're in charge of what's called, or what we call here, CETA. But basically all the products that we make, we want to make sure that they are waterproof, that they're not going to leak. There's electronics inside. You get water with electronics, that's not a good thing.
CETA tests that are made to check for leaks. The first being a volumetric test, which measures the amount of air pressure, and the second test removes said air pressure.
It means agility, I would say.
Company means to me of innovation.
Their company means work hard, make something that's cool and helps people.
This company means a good future for me.
As you can see, IFN treats the employees just like the temperature. Just right. Just like perfectly good cookies.